Okay, this is our first stop in Leavenworth today. Kurt is gonna do this crazy roller coaster ride. The rest of us are gonna not. Alright. Kurt's getting on the coaster. Yeah, buckle up for safety.
Buckle up, Buttercup. Hi friends, this is your favorite line.
Here he goes.
Oh shit.
Here goes Kurt. Okay, we're gonna go upstairs now. Beth. Okay, here's Kurt's going around the loop there. You should see him coming. There he is. He's going around the circle. All right, Kurt should be coming down the chute here. Oh, there he is. Yeah, look at that. Now he's gonna be going around this little loopy. There he is. There he goes. He did it.
They have a lot of
Look at that.
to sit down while ladies shop.
Yeah, that's right. They have lots of chairs. All right, everyone. We're at the Andrea restaurant for lunch today, and we are having lunch in this barrel, which is so cool. Okay, mine is the Jaeger Schnitzel, grilled. Look at Kurt's.
What?
Yeah.
Look at this. You got mushroom gravy, spatzel.
Yeah.
That's some kind of sauerkraut. This is
Yeah.
some red
I can
cabbage.
remember what all these are.
Now, Tim got not the Jaeger Schnitzel, but the other Schnitzel.
That's traditional.
No, he got the Jaeger Schnitzel breaded.
And I got what you got.
Oh, no, he got the other Schnitzel.
Yeah, mine's different, yeah.
Yeah,
Wow,
it's
that's
pretty
good.
good. I like this tree in the Gingerbread Factory. Look at that. Cute little store. Beautiful day out in Leavenworth. All right, stop at the Praise Fruit Barn. Tim's gonna sit in the chair.
Scale moving?
Now we're checking out the Smallwood, and they have all kinds of stuff for the kids here. They got a cow train, they have a playground, they have a petting zoo. We're gonna check them out now. All right, this is what we got at the farm store. Spicy pickled quail eggs for Kurt, candied jalapenos for Joel and Rosie, zesty pickled garlic for us, pineapple pepper jelly to have with cream cheese and crackers, and peach butter. Looks good.
Annual enrollment period. There may be a plan available in your area with benefits, but you won't know unless you
Did you like and subscribe?
number on your screen now.
Thanks!